Welcome to our platform where you can explore a variety of listings by category, type, zip code, and proximity to you. Whether you're interested in bartering or trading with local farmers and homesteaders, or creating your own listings to sell or trade, we've got you covered. Plus, our AI assistant is here to help you craft the perfect listing copy. Dive into various categories like produce, livestock, and more. Specify your location and decide whether you want to sell, trade, or both. In the My Listings section, you can review and manage all your past listings, including those that have been sold or traded. Engage with others through our message center, facilitating communication between you, your consumers, and fellow homesteaders or farmers nearby. Explore our community-shared recipes, such as rabbit pellet alternatives and fermented garlic honey, aimed at enhancing your homestead or farm life. Join lively discussions in our forum, covering topics from general farming to animal care, equipment, and crops. In your profile section, you can add payment methods like Venmo, PayPal, or Cash App. While we don't process payments directly, you can integrate these methods for convenience. Grow your online presence by linking your social media accounts, such as Facebook and Instagram, and attract followers through your local listings on peer farms. Benefit from our review system to gauge the reliability of other users in the community. Display your listings publicly on your profile. Even if you haven't updated your profile yet, once you do, all your social media links, images, and listings will be visible, essentially providing you with a free website or farm stand for public viewing. Whether you're offering produce, products, or services, you can list them here and exchange social media followings. This encapsulates the essence of peer farms. Our aim is to foster a genuine local peer-to-peer network that encourages bartering and contributes to a more sustainable food system.